Hey, this is Jim Cramer with Jeff Marks for the Home Stretch. What's new from what happened since the morning meeting, and what's new, Jeff, is the S&P is at an all-time high. Even though most people can't figure it out, it's been done totally on the backs of people who simply didn't believe, including the billionaire class who told us endlessly to get out of the damn market.
No, it's been a great move to get back to these highs. Still very much a large cap over small cap day. That's why you're seeing the indices, the strength there.
And when you have good stocks like a Broadcom, like a Meta, like an Alpha, what happens? When the stock market goes up, NVIDIA is the leader.
You mentioned Broadcom. It's funny. This morning, when I saw that Goldman Sachs reinstated coverage, buy rating, I think price target, I thought, maybe a lot of this was already kind of in the stock, even though I really liked what they said about VMware synergies. But it was worth 60 points. It's up $60 right now, 5%. Yeah. Well, the momentum in the semi group has obviously been extraordinary. We're seeing that in NVIDIA today as well. I mean, look, the news from Meta that they're buying, 350,000 H100 GPUs by the end of this year.
Remember, this Constellation Brands is selling, this is my own work. They're selling the wine and spirits business. So you want to be in it until it's up 30, okay?
Yeah.
And we can go ka-ching if we wanted to up 30.
Up 3% today. Wells, they had a really good quarter. The guidance wasn't good, but the great quarter was great.
Meta, there we go. I mean, back to all-time highs dating back to September of 2021.
Yeah.
So fourth quarter earnings, we got PG next week. I don't expect anything great because it's a staple, but maybe they can pull right out of the hat and say some good things.
But a lot of other big names next week, too.
Yeah, okay, so Netflix, I think they're going to report an amazing quarter. Tesla will probably pull, that's another rabbit out of the hat. Verizon, Abbott's going to be good. IBM will be great. ServiceNow will be best. Lammer Search will be fantastic.
And then Wednesday, we have our monthly meeting. Looking forward to that. First one of the new year. Wednesday at noon. And then economic data, I think the big one to focus on, that PC deflator Friday.
That's the one we have to focus on. And I don't know about you, Jeff, but I mean, I'll take home some companies this weekend. I am actually going over pitfalls. And a lot of the pitfalls have to do with being too negative. And I think that this is a year where you ended up living dangerously so far. So this is Jim Cramer with Jeff Marks for the Home Stretch, and we will talk to you on Monday.